Let me show you how to make my easy microwavable protein pancake bowl. You'll start with half a banana. I like to use the ones that are almost brown. And then you're gonna mash that up in a microwave safe bowl. Next, you'll need some protein pancake mix. I love clean simple eats. And then some milk of whatever kind you prefer. And then last, you'll just need 1 egg. And this will be your base. And you just mix everything together, and then we're gonna add some toppings. I like adding frozen or fresh fruit. And then I always add cinnamon, and then you're gonna put it in the microwave. When it comes out, you can add whatever toppings you like. I like more fruit, or I love some extra Greek yogurt, and then add some sugar-free syrup, and you're good to go.